Every time I get a root touch-up, it takes me a while to get used to my hair. It feels like I'm wearing a wig. My skin hasn't been the best lately. Usually I don't like being on camera when my skin is breaking out, but I would say it's calming down. And of course, acne is normal. However, I think I'm dealing with hormonal acne, and that itself is a challenge. I used to have hormonal acne in high school, and then it went away, and now it seems like it's coming back. Because of that, my skincare has been pretty simple. I still use the La Roche-Posay cleanser, which has salicylic acid. I used the Paula's Choice BHA toner last night, so I won't be using it today. I use this niacinamide serum daily for my hyperpigmentation and dark spots. Lastly, I go in with moisturizer and sunscreen. One thing that I've been doing lately is using a pore clogging ingredient checker. I use this one right here from Clearstem. So you just copy and paste the ingredients of the product that you're using and it'll tell you if it has pore clogging ingredients or not, which is basically what I explained. Again, since I have acne prone skin and my pores can get clogged easily, I use this before putting any new skincare products on my skin, and it helps me know what products might be breaking me out or irritating my skin. Trust me, it is a game changer.
You want me to put the egg in a bowl?
Yes, please.
I knew it because the girl with the egg was just standing in the corner.
when a scent brings you back to a memory or a certain place in your life, this for me takes me back to Italy. I didn't know my trip had a specific scent until L'Occitane sent me a few of their products to try, and when I tried this, it just took me back to Italy. And then I recalled my roommate having the body oil, and I tried it once in the trip, and of course she used it throughout the whole trip, and I guess my apartment smelled like that without me even knowing. But this product is my favorite product ever, and it's not that strong. Some body products can be really strong and I don't like that, but this one's really light, so I highly recommend it if you don't like any strong fragrance.
One, two, three, go. Oh, wait, no, go back. Thank you. Yeah. Go.
I'm changing my shoes back to my sambas, or yeah, I'm changing my sandals back to my sambas. My twisted humor, make him laugh so often. My honeybee, come and get this pollen. You can never go wrong with margarita bean. That's good. I like how everything I just tasted. That's good. I don't know what else to say. It's just good. It's my first time trying it in pesto though.
Yeah. It's different, but it's still good.
I think the one in Italy was more soft. Like it melts in your mouth, kind of.
This one's like, you have to chew on it more.
We're judges, guys. If you know. We're culinary chefs.
I mean, we tried it. Like,
Yeah.
authentic Italian food,
You look tired. Also tired. So many people.